万華鏡車輪眼
What's up guys? Again, it's me, Harvey, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see the title below, it's all about how to use your colored contact lenses. So on this video, I will be teaching you or sharing with you on how to put and to remove your colored contact lenses. Because on our first video, I asked question there, which one of the two colored contact lenses that I bought, the green and the red, ang atong unahon og try. And then when I opened the YouTube and then I look at the comment section, o diba na comment section. So I have seen a comment from Girly Minky. That's diba? Shout out kang Girly Minky. So ningon siya, Sharingan, Kakashi, Hataki, and Uchiha clan. So Naruto fan here. Diba kinautan naman ko kung ano kung kinsay kabalo ani nga color, comment down below. And then sa Sharingan, yeah, that's correct. Ding! This is this contact lens from Naruto. This is what you call the Sharingan, and then the two characters that I revealed there, this one and this one, yeah, that is Kakashi, Hatake, and the Uchiha clan, like Sasuke, na yang kuya. So now we will start first by opening the contact lenses. So I already opened it. So this is how it looks like, and then this is the eye-share contact lens. Okay, so I will teach you on how to put and remove the contact lenses. Okay, but before that, so before sa niya ni masulot, so we will remove the first one. So I will teach you first on how to remove the contact lenses before putting these contact lenses. So the first step on how to remove your contact lenses is make sure your hands are clean. So you already wash your hands because eyes are very sensitive. So yeah, so that's the first one. And then the step 2 is to get your eye solution. So for my eye solution, so I'm using this New Look eye solution. Okay, so I bought this eye solution from Hershey's Optical sa Butuan, but you can buy this one in any eye optical or eye clinic anywhere near you. So this is how it looks like. Okay. Then next is you get your contact lens case. So because dire man mo siya ibutang para makuan, ma-store. And then next is butangan nimo siya og eye solution. So diba? So paano katunga lang para mahumal ang contact lens. Diba? Dahil na siya. And then next is butangan nimo gamay nga eye solution imong kamot para dali ra siya makuha. So unahan nato kuha ang kining wala. Yeah, left. Okay. So ano siya? So dali ra siya. So actually mas dali magtanggal kaysa magbutang og contact lenses. And then kung nakuha na nimo siya, so ibutang nimo siya sa imong kamot, and then butang nimo sa eye solution, and then you clean it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, para mawala ang mga abog-abog. So yeah, that's it. So nakuha na to ang right nga left nga eye, and then this time ko na to ang right nga eye. So the same way gyapon, so murag imong ko na on isa, then ubos, then masag gikusi to. Then the same way hinloan dayon. And then in cleaning your contact lenses, so you should be extra careful because grabe din siya kakuan, fragile, di ba? Okay, kasi magisi, dapat very gentle gid sa paghinlo. So since we're done removing our contact lenses, so this time ato na pud siyang isulot. So let's try to wear this one and how to wear these contact lenses. So first, ato sa ning ablihan. Okay, so I already opened it and then I put it here already. So gibalhin na ako sa sa case, and then this time let's try to wear this. So maybe we will start the right. Okay, so the same way sa pag-remove, so pagbutang pod, so dapat hinlo ang imong kamot para walay kagaw nga para dili ma-irritate ang imong mata. So you get your contact lenses. So I'm getting the right one, and then the same ra gyapon butahan mo sa og eye solution mo sa usang hinloan gamay, and then pag mga 15 to 20 minutes, so decide nimo sa ibutang sa mata. So hinay ra jud kay basig magisig. Okay, so for pagbutang, so dapat you use your dominant hand. So since I'm left-handed, so I'm walhon, so I use my left fingertip, and then masag kuan mo taas, then kaning down, and then oh no. Oh my wa. Tinsiri. Yeah. So, hello. Okay, so nabutang na to ang right nga eye. So medyo nabaguhan ko gamay nakadlok. Okay, so this time let's go to the left side of our eye. So I already cleaned this lens, and then we'll put it kung say itsura. So the same gyapon, taas ang kuan, then iubos ni, and then put down. Medyo maglisod ko kuan sa mata kay basta gamay yung mata, dili kay mo dako, pero kung dako na daan, so effortless kay diretso. This time take 2 kay kan mission field ang una. So the same ra gyapon ko ani mo, and then ana di pwede ka mo tan-aw sa left and right. Okay na. Maywa. Easy. Okay, so it's done already. So this is the right one, then this is the left one. Ano ba hadlok? Mo try og sa isyo mo ginani. Di ba di ni ko kasudlan ni ready card. Mangekyo Sharingan. Sharingan. Katon. Okay guys, that's all for my video on how to use your colored contact lenses. And then if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So that's all for today, and see you on my next video.